Hey, thanks for joining us today, YouTube Nation. Today we're making homemade chicken teriyaki. This stuff comes out amazing. It is literally only about 1,000 times better than anything you get from your local delivery place. So, here's the ingredients. The ingredients are pretty simple. It's a cup of soy sauce, 2 to 2.5 cups of brown sugar, depending on how sweet you like it, a cup of water, 4 cloves of minced garlic, and a 1-inch piece of ginger minced. Take all those, dump them in a pot, add a tablespoon or two of vegetable oil, and bring it all to simmer on the stove. As soon as it simmers, shut it off and let it cool, and then you have to put it in the fridge to get it really, really, really cool. You can't put this over your chicken while it's warm. You'll run the risk of getting everybody sick. So make sure it's really cold, and you're going to marinate your chicken in this overnight. Nothing too special with the chicken. We're making chicken teriyaki, so we're using chicken thighs. Just cut them into strips like you find when you get chicken teriyaki at the takeout place. We have 8 thighs that we're doing here. Yep, dump the marinade on. Work it into the chicken really good. Get it in all the nooks and crannies and stow it in the fridge overnight. Okay, the next day, grab your chicken, grab your skewers, and put a couple of pieces of chicken on each skewer, making them pretty much as flat as you can until you run out of chicken, and it looks like this. And these are ready for the griddle. So I have the griddle preheated to medium high. The sugar and the marinade on these will burn, so you don't want to cook them on too high a temperature. I use an instant read thermometer to pull these off at 165 degrees. And I can tell you guys this, no matter how many of these you make, you're not going to have enough. I mean, they are just outstanding. Play with the sugar. You know, if you like it not as sweet, put in a little bit less sugar. If you like them on the sweeter side, put in a little bit more. So that's why I say 2 to 2.5 cups. Your marinade is almost going to be a syrup consistency. But yeah, these come out really, really good. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you try the recipe. Do us a favor, like, subscribe, share. I'm going to have my most critical official taste tester test these out and get her opinion, see what she thinks.
It is really good. It's nice and tender.